Hey, how's it going? My name is Evan. I'm the creator of the Ultimate Life System, and I'm here to show you briefly a demonstration of the projects portion of the template. So let me hide my face and we'll get right into here. Projects page. Of course, you have your quick links. You have a button to create a new project, and that just creates this default new project based off the template. There are 3 project templates that you can choose from, or you can make your own. You run it as a blank one, whatever you want to do. Inside of this basic general project template, you have space to add your overview, details, what you're trying to accomplish. You click this button and boom, writing space. It's like magic. You get some AI assistance right here, and then you have quick access to your project notes and project ideas. Now, getting into project notes, you'll see this pin note called Moscow, and that's just another one of the productivity frameworks that I have blended into here. It's where you break up your projects into must-have items, should-have items, could-have items, and won't-have items, and it just helps you sort out and prioritize what you want to work on. And there's this little database view for it right here at the bottom. Now we have our YouTube video template for the creators out there. Describe your video. It comes with a button for default tasks, and it adds tasks right here and to your task hub, script, record, edit. That's pretty basic, but you can customize those to your liking. And then as you complete the tasks, it will update on your progress bar. So yeah, that's pretty cool stuff. We have our video outline template to just help you develop whatever video ideas you have in your head, kind of lay it out there. You don't have to follow it exactly, but this framework has helped me. And that's kind of been the point of a lot of this template is I put together what helps me, and my hope is that it will help you as well. Here at the bottom of the YouTube video template, you have your creative guide, creative notes, and of course, your project notes. And then the last default project template is for your performance-based projects, which of course is tied to the goals set up inside of the Ultimate Life System. It comes, you define your metrics. It has the key results tracker built in. You can add tasks to the task hub specifically, and of course it will update your projects. You have a quick view to adventures down here. You can add new tasks, see your ideas, and of course you have your quick cap sync block. So that's all there is for projects.